What is a life cycle? A life cycle is the stages a living thing goes through during its lifetime. Sometimes the process is slow and the changes are gradual. Other times it can happen very quickly. Let's go through one example of a life cycle. Let's do an example of a flower's life cycle. First, you'll start with a seed. After the seed, it's going to turn into a seedling. After it is a seedling, it's going to turn into a flower. That is an example of the life cycle of a flower. Although we just did the flower's life cycle, all organisms go through stages of development, which means they have a life cycle. So there are many different examples that I could share with you today. There are different environmental conditions that affect life cycles of organisms. Let's talk about 3 of those things. The first thing we're going to talk about that affects life cycles is water. The next environmental condition that can affect life cycles is temperature. And the last environmental condition that can affect a life cycle is light. Just remember, a life cycle is a series of stages through which a living thing passes from the beginning of its life until death. When you're thinking of the life cycle, it is easy to remember the seed, to the seedling, to the flower. I hope you had a fun time learning about life cycles. Have a good day.